one by the 6, and you multiply the other one by either a positive or negative 4. You gotta make a decision. If you don't have the papers, then get a sheet of paper and keep rolling. Okay? Again, you have to distribute to everything, so that means that 6 has to be distributed to everything in that first equation. Not one thing, but everything. Okay? Pick up the calculators that are on your desk and let's utilize them. Okay? 6 times 4 gives us a product of 24x. Make sure you have your x with you. 6 times a negative 4y should give you a negative 24y. Okay? 6 times a negative 8 should give us a negative what? Negative 48. All right, thank you. Now let's do the second one the same way. Negative 4, negative 4, negative 4. I'm drawing arrows, so hopefully when you you start to review, you can draw arrows. It's multiplication, not addition, okay? On number 5, you got a pencil. Let's go. What's wrong?
What you mean, what's wrong? I'm tired. I'm trying to adjust myself.
Okay? So you should have negative 24x. A negative 4 times a negative 3 should give us a positive 12y. And a negative 4 times a negative 18 should give us a positive what? Jorge, what's a negative 18 times a negative 4? Calculate on your desk. Negative 18 times a negative 4. Somebody.
72.
Huh?
72.
72. Thank you. Now we add these babies up. Did we create that zero pair that we needed? All right. So who are we eliminating? X get to go away. Bye, X. See you later. Now take that negative 24y plus 12y. What's your difference? Is it positive or a negative 12? Negative. You owe me $24. You only pay me $12. You owe me some money. Okay? A negative 48 plus 72. 20 who? 24. Is it positive or negative? All right. Now my last step for this one is to divide by the leading what? Coefficient, which is what?
Negative 12.
Negative 12. Make sure that we divide by negative 12, not negative 12y. You want y by itself, so you can't divide by negative 12. Y. You divide by negative 12. Okay. Somebody pick up the calculator and tell me what's 24 divided by negative 12. Oh, beautiful. Y is equal to negative 2. I am going to go ahead and write that in my y value. I'm going to put a box around negative 2 because that's the solution. It's one of them. Okay? That's just one. So now I have to go and get my other one, which is my x value. All right? Anybody care which one we use? Top? What if I use the bottom? Is it okay? Yeah. So I don't care which one you use, take one. In this situation, they're about the same. So 4x minus 4y is equal to a negative 8. That's where I'm going. Okay? You are going to substitute this y value. You are going to replace it over here. When you replace the y value, that means we're solving for the x variable. Okay? So I have 4x minus 4 times my negative 2 that I'm substituting, that I'm replacing, is equal to a negative 8. Okay? Now I should have myself a nice little two-step equation, which everybody in this room can do. We can go 2 steps to the left, 2 steps to the right, crisscross, everybody clap your hands. We can do that. Okay? So now we got 4x, a negative 4 times a negative 2 gives us a positive 8. and that is equal to a negative 8. You gotta get the first step right. Okay, now we wanna move the positive 8 over to the negative 8. Not the negative 8 to the positive 8. You want the variable on one side, you want your numbers on the other side. Okay? Negative 8, negative 8. Create that 0 pair again. Bring down 4x. 4x is equal to a negative 16. Now we into multiplication table. What number times 4 will give us a negative 16? Negative 4, right? Divide by 4, divide by 4, negative 4. X equals a negative 4. I have my X value, I have my Y value, I now have my solution. I feel like I'm preaching to the choir, but come on, choir. Try number 6. Try number 6. If I find my notes, I'm gonna give you the answer to number 6. Because I want to see you do it by yourself. Because it's easy when I do it. It's easy when I do it. Next semester, buddy. I ain't gonna give you away because I feel like I give you away, you're gonna act crazy. You're gonna go back to your old ways.
If you just grab those lines, see how you're more critical.
That's one page.
You know what I'm saying? It's just like, just grab it. It's not hard. One.
You can make 5 negative, or you can make the 6 negative. It doesn't matter, but just pick one of them. One of them has to be positive, one of them has to be negative. Am I right? Your work might be a little different than my work, but we should end up in the same place. I don't even know how I work this problem.
No, right? If I give you your notes, I bet you can do it. Y is always going to be proportional to Y.
Okay? Again, we're going to distribute my first equation, and we're going to distribute to the second equation, making sure that we create that 0 pair. Am I right or am I right?
Finish it.
Okay, what you get for the top?
You get right on the board. That's what's
Okay. Oh, you flipped me. All right. So can you help me with the math? What's 5 times a negative 6? Negative 30x, okay. What's 5 times a negative 4y? 20y. Bring my kids along. 12 times a negative 5. A negative 12 times for positive 5, sorry. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
how you get 13.
Miss Moore, you got the bottom? Everybody got the bottom one?
Let's see, let's look.
Miss French, you got it? What's a negative 6 times a negative 5, Miss French? What's a negative times a negative? 30, okay? 30 what? All right, beautiful. What's a negative 6 times a positive 3? 18. 18 what?
I mean, you said that 0.
6 times 3 is 18. 18 what? Y. Is that positive or negative? Negative, right?
Oh, I didn't finish
So
the
that you're
last one.
fine. Yeah.
Okay. And what's my last one, Miss French? A negative 10 times a negative 6 gives me a product of what? 60, beautiful. All right, let's go. Thank you. Did we create that 0 pair? Mr. Smith, we created? Who are we eliminating now? 30's out the door. Okay? Now, we got a negative 20 and a negative 18. You owe me $20, you owe me $30, you still owe me some money. Okay? How much money do you owe, Miss Mitchell? How much? 38. You owe me 38 bucks. Please don't get nervous when you get a zero over here. It's math. It's a math class. Zeros happen. Okay? Somebody pick up your calculator and tell me what is 0 divided by negative 38. Okay? Y is equal to what? 0. All right. So half of my answer is right. Check me out. Check me out. I did a little math on Friday. Ms. Smith, which one you want me to use? The top or the bottom? All right. Which one you want? The bottom? All right, it's yours. The bottom. Negative 5x plus 3y is equal to a negative 10. You ready? So now I'm going to replace my y value over here. I keep drawing that arrow because some of y'all replace the x value and then you get it wrong. You got to pay attention. This is why math is mathing. If you don't pay attention to which variable you're substituting or you're replacing, you're going to substitute it into the wrong thing. And then you're upset with me. Okay? So we should have a negative 5x plus 3 times my y value, which is 0, is equal to a negative 10. Okay? I'm trying to model what you need to be doing because you know when you take your final exam, everybody's going to be straight in a row and ain't no phones on the desk. You can't call nobody. You can't call nobody. You can't phone a friend. Okay? So now I get negative 5x. Anytime I multiply a number by 0, it is 0. So negative 5x is equal to a negative 10. Divide both sides by negative 5 to isolate my variable x. My quotient should be a positive 2. Ms. Mitchell's answer is correct today. Now on Friday it could have been wrong, but today I'm cooking with grease. Mr. Young, Jeremiah would like to go to the restroom. Okay, make it happen for him. All right. What up, Buttercup? All right, here I come. All right, what about 7 and 8? Yeah, I sure can. Because that 12 is negative. Gotta have that. Yeah, I just picked it up. I just picked up what you was putting down. That 12 is negative. You can't get careless. I'm on number 7. You ready? You ready? I'm ready. Number 7 is 1 and 2. There it is. Got an answer. Woohoo! We got an answer. We got an answer. Now can you work it out and explain it to the person? Try to have a conversation with the person beside you. And you help somebody else help somebody. Lock in, sir. All right, I'm gonna help you out. One coefficient is positive, one is negative, so we ain't got too much hard work to do. I'm gonna give that one a 5, and I'm gonna give that one a 6, and we're gonna roll on.
Oh,
Exactly.
it's the same thing though.
No, it's not.
Still gonna add up to the same thing.
You can do it another way.
If you make both of them negative, still gonna add up.
You sure can. I wouldn't do it that way, but you can.
I'll still do it.
It's okay. Hey, listen to me. The math is mathing over there. So if he does his a little differently than yours, it is perfectly fine.
Okay.
A-okay.
My brother.
All I need for you to do is create that 0 pair.
Okay. So are we going to have a test in here before the final?
No,
Why?
cancel
I
that.
know. Why?
You want to take a test?
Yeah, I need that grade.
Tell y'all. Just retake one of your tests. That's all that means.
I had a good grade in here, but like I was gonna boost it.
Yeah. Miss Mr. She can still retake tests, bro.
Oh, that's right, she takes 7B, I already got the test, I got one already got.
So
I'm
if
just
you want
saving
that,
mine ain't in my stuff, you know what I mean?
Shoot, I ain't got no problem taking it.
Okay, well, I ain't got no problem giving it, girl,
Alright.
okay? You ain't said nothing but a word, Thunderbird.
Don't do the honey.
Alright, then what we can do is just replace that with your oldest test.
I sure can,
Alright.
and I'm willing to do it.
Thank you. All you gotta do is walk.
Probably.
You looked at me like I confused you.
You need to do the test. All it is is
I got 85.
Yeah, 85.
You did no homework?
Turn them in.
That's a negative 30. A negative and a negative should give you a what? All right, put your X's on there. Bring my little kids along.
Until it's too late then.
All right, I'm rolling.
Semester out.
I got 30X minus 24Y is equal to a negative 10. Give me a thumbs up if you got the first equation right. We halfway there. Yes, no? Just me by myself? All right, good job. All right, now let's get the second one right. You should have a negative 30X plus 36Y is equal to 42. Give me a thumbs up, we good now. We cooking with grease. All right, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's create that zero pair. My Christmas colors, we out of here. Yes, ma'am. You got a negative 24 and a positive 36. You owe me $24. You got $36 in your pocket. Do you have money and do you owe me money?
This one over here. Wow.
Yep.
You go.
Is it 12? What's 36 minus 24? That's a calculator thing.
Ain't that 20?
I ain't said nothing, honey. Just, I'm looking at you.
Bro.
Miss Mitchell.
Huh?
Ain't 24 supposed to be 20?
Where?
It's 5 times negative 4.
It's 20?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on with it. Look at you making goofballs. Goofball. If I mess up in one spot, then that mean I messed up in several spots. So much for being the mathematician today. She goofballing. Y'all right what I write? Nobody say anything. I'm goofballing. I said 20 and wrote 24. All right. Now that you corrected me, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Because I was wrong with two left shoes. What is a negative 20 plus 36? That makes sense now?
Yeah.
All right, we get 16Y?
Yes.
All right, and then over here should be what, 30, 32? Is it 32?
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. And we're gonna divide both sides by 16?
Yeah.
And Y gonna give me that 2 that I told you you should have? Okay, good, beautiful.
Substitution.
Okay. Which one you wanna use?
Top.
Top? I'll take it. 6X minus 4Y is equal to a negative 2. I'm replacing this in for the Y. Here I go, here I go. I do make sense, it's okay, girl, I've been making sense. All right. So my 6X minus 4, I'm going to replace my Y value with a positive 2, hello lights, and that gives me a negative 2. Again, we go different ways to get to pi, okay? I just need y'all to be here by 7:15. So if you do the X's and then cancel the Y's, yeah, divided by 30. 32 divided by 16. 32 divided by 16. Okay? All right. Don't count out yourself, girl. You're doing some good math back there. So I got 6X minus 8 is equal to a negative 2. Come on, 2 steps. Going 2 steps to the left, 2 steps to the right. I am going to add 8 to both sides. Please don't get upset. If you have $8 and you pay Miss Mitchell her $2 because you always owe me my money, That means you should have a positive 6. You should have $6 left. Divide both sides by 6. X is equal to 1. Cooking with grease, or am I cooking with grease? Okay. Garlic. Better for me. You good? All right, beautiful. All right, you got one more to go, and then you out of here. Okay? Y'all can start working on some homework or something. Give me something. Give me something. Here we go. It's 1 and 1. That is the solution.
So you're the only human in this earth that's supposed to.
No.
It's 1 and 1. Tell me how I get there.
It's comic stuff.
They don't taste the same.
Okay, Burger King in my mouth? Okay, as long as you know that you be Burger King in my stuff. You give me half of this done? You give me half of this done? That's what I'm talking about. All right, this right here is one is positive, one is negative, so I did a lot of work for you. You're welcome. Okay? I'm going to take my top equation and multiply it by 5. I'm going to take my bottom equation and multiply it by 4. All right? You got my 1 and 1 half? You good? Okay. Because you had me nervous. All right, somebody give me an answer. Give me some steps. I gave the answer. I just feel like giving it away today. It's Monday. Just give some answers away. See if we can work what we call backwards. I give you the answer, then what happens?
No, I'm just sitting here watching. Why does it gotta be something wrong?
OL strategist.
Tell me, you've been in class. Tell me.
He swear, he put everything right. Like, bro.
Yeah, work.
That 25 right there is not negative.
That's what they look at.
Oh, I just walked in front of the camera. Y'all watch that guy. See that big old red jacket. Sorry.
Where's the test? You got a 98 on. You missed 1 point on the test. That cost good one.
You get my 1 yet? Yes. Got 1. Yes, ma'am.
It's
It's
working.
negative, and then negative.
Not
is
fast
positive.
enough though, but it's working.
Should be a positive.
Years it's turning into cheap stuff.
Wait.
You got something.
Why do you think?
It'd be funny to me
They
when
both
y'all
should be
get stuck
positive.
trying to do mental math. I'm like, if I get stuck
Yeah,
for like 2
because this
seconds.
time this gives you a negative. And if you multiply this time that, that's still
Just
good.
take your pain with me.
Okay, so one of them should be positive.
Doing
You got my 1 and 1?
Yeah, I thought you was doing that one.
How many people got an answer? Got my answer? Let me know. Thumbs up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'll wait. I'm patient. I need more than 5 people to get my answer. You 5 people that got the answers, you might want to get up and go help somebody. I don't know what to tell you. Spread the knowledge. Don't keep it to yourself. It's not good. Miss Brian, you good back there? You got a 1 and 1 yet? Got 1 and 1?
You okay back here?
All righty. How many got it right? How many got my answer now? We over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I went up 1. 6, 7, 7, 7, 7. 8, kinda. 9? Where's 9 and 10?
I'll be on
You'll be my 9 and my 10? All right, here we go. I got a negative 20x plus 25y is equal to 5. Give me a thumbs up when we got that one. Beautiful, I should see thumbs. All right, the second one. I got a positive 20x minus 8y is equal to 12. Okay, you gotta keep up with your signs. Positive times a negative is a negative. Okay. Did I create that zero pair? Yes, I did. Beautiful. You have $25 and you owe Miss Mitchell $8. You pay me my money, that should be 17y. If you add 5 plus 12, you should get a total of 17. Divide both sides by negative 17, and y is equal to a negative 1. Anybody catch my wrong answer? I did it on purpose, y'all. Y should be negative, right? Not positive. Love my job. Y'all start giving y'all all the right answers, then y'all. I'm gonna take the second one. 5x minus 2y is equal to 3. I'm replacing my y over here. Yes, I am. Oh, that's positive y. Y is positive. That's positive 17y, right? Not negative 17. Okay. I'm tripping. Let me get my y over here. It's 1. 5x minus 2 times 1 equals 3.
25 minus 8.
No, 25 minus 8 is 17, Lulu, not 13. Okay? So I got 5x minus 2
So that would be 30.
equals 3.
Minus 12.
Add both sides. 5x is equal to 5. Divide both sides by 5. My quotient is 1. Okay. Do me a favor, pull out homeworks number 1 and 2. Go ahead and pull them out. Homeworks number 1 and 2. Go ahead. Homeworks number 1 and 2. I know you got them in your possession because you ain't turned them in to me. Homeworks 1 and 2. You cut that off.